Hello guys, this is Bilal Khan and you are watching Simplified Coding. In this video we are going to learn about Recycler View. So we will learn how we can create Recycler View using the new language Kotlin. So let's start. The first thing we will do is we will come inside the activity_main.xml. So I have the new project. It is a blank project. I have created a project named Kotlin Recycler View example. You can create any project with any name. So once your project is loaded, come inside activity_main.xml and click here, design. Now just wait and the activity layout will show up. Now remove this hello world. So select it and press delete. Now we need a recycler view. So search recycler view. Click on the search button and search recycler view. So this is the recycler view. Just drag it to your activity and it will ask you to add the recycler view dependency. Just click OK and it will add the recycler view dependency. Now again come to the text and give your recycler view an ID. So let's give it an ID. Let's say recycler view. Now you can see this is the error. It is because we are using constraint layout. So to remove this error, just go to design and click on this yellow button and it will set the constraints and the error will be gone. You can see now we have no error. So we have the recycler view. Now we will design the items for the recycler view. So for this, come inside the resource folder and layout folder, and here we will create a new layout resource file. Now you can name it anything. Let's say list_layout. Now it is a linear layout. You can change it, the layout. You can change the layout if you want, but for now it is linear layout. And inside this linear layout we will create a card view. So again search card view. This is the card view and drag it here. Now it will again ask you to add the dependency. Click OK. So we have the card view. Now go to text and make sure the height should be wrap content. So we have the linear layout and we have the card view. Make it like this, and inside the card view we will create a linear layout and the orientation would be vertical, and inside the linear layout we will create only two text views. As I'm creating a very simple recycler view, so we need only two text views for this example. So we have text view, match parent, wrap content, ID, and it would be for name. So this is text view name. Now for text, let's put my name Bilal Khan and the appearance would be large. Same way, create one more text view, match parent, wrap content, and this is for address. So let's put an address, let's say Ranchi, India, and ID would be text view address and appearance would be medium. That's it. Now give your card view some margin, let's say 5 dp. That's it. So we have the list item ready. Put some padding as well. Let's put padding inside this linear layout. Let's say 10 dp. So we have the list item. We have name and we have address. Now to store this values, we will create a data class. So come inside Java and inside your package create a new Kotlin class. So right click, new Kotlin class and name it user. Now here we will create a very simple data class. So we'll write data class user, and we have two values, val name of type string and val address of type string. That's it. So we have the model now. Now we will create a recycler view adapter. So we will create a new class, new Kotlin file class, select class and name it, let's say, custom adapter. Now we will pass the user list to this adapter. So in the constructor we will pass a value user list, and the type of this value will be array list, and the list will be of user, the class we created. Now this class will extend the recycler view dot adapter and import recycler view, and we will define the view holder for this adapter, and we will define the view holder inside this custom adapter class. So here we can write custom adapter dot view holder. That's it. Now inside this class we need to create one more class named view holder. So we will write class view holder, and it will take view as an argument to the constructor. So we'll write item view and the type would be view, and this class will extend import view, and this class will extend recycler view dot view holder, and we will pass item view here. That's it. Import view, and we have the class view holder. Now here this is an error. This is because we haven't implemented the method. So put the cursor here and press Alt Enter and select implement members. Now select all these three and on bind view holder, on create view holder and get item count and select OK. So we have all the three methods. Inside get item count we will return, you can see the return type is int. So we will return the size of this user list, and it will define the size of our recycler view. So we will return user list dot size. That's it. Now inside on create view holder we will create our view holder, and for this we will use this list layout that we created, and this list layout will be generated for each item in our recycler view. So for this we will create a view first. So let's say val v equals to, and we will use the layout inflator class dot from. First import the layout inflator and then from, and we will pass the context, and for the context we will use this view group. So we have p0, so write p0 dot context. Now to handle the null we need to put a question mark here, so put question mark. Now p0 dot context, and then we will call the inflate method, and here we will pass our layout resource. So we will pass r dot layout dot list underscore layout. Now the second parameter would be the view group, so we have p0, and then the third parameter is attached to root, and we can pass false to it. So we have the view. Now we will return the view holder, so we will write return view holder and we will pass this view. That's it. Now inside on bind view holder we will bind the data. We will bind the data to our recycler view. So first we will define our text views here inside view holder. So we will write val text view name equals to item view dot find view by id r dot id dot text view name and as text view. Same for address, val text view address equals to item view dot find view by id r dot id dot text view address as text view. So we have text view name and text view address. Now here we will write val user, and the type of this user will be user, and it will be equals to user list, this array list, and we will get the index position p1, which is the position of the list item. So we have p1, and then we will use p0, the view holder, dot text view name dot text equals to user dot name, and put a question mark here to handle the null. p0 dot text view address dot text equals to user dot address. Now again put a question mark here as well to handle null. That's it. So we are binding the values here to the views. So we have the values, and we have the view holder, and we have the list size. Now this is it for our adapter class. Now come inside main activity and let's create our recycler view. So what we will do here, first we will create a recycler view. So we'll write val recycler view equals to find view by id r dot id dot recycler view as recycler view. That's it. Now we will set a layout manager for this recycler view. So we will write recycler view dot layout manager, and it will be equals to, I will use a linear layout manager with vertical layout. So we'll write linear layout manager, and we'll pass the current context, then the type, the orientation type. So we'll write linear layout dot vertical, and then the last parameter can be false. That's it. Now we will create some dummy data for our list. So we will create a array list. So we'll write val users equals to array list, and the type will be user. That's it. Now let's put some data. So we'll add users dot add, and we will add a new user here. Let's say user, and let's put my name, address. Now let's put some values. So you can change these values, but for now I am keeping the same values for each item. That doesn't matter. This is only an example. Now we will create our adapter. So we will write adapter equals to custom adapter, and for the adapter we are passing the user list. So we will pass users. That's it. Now we will put this adapter to our recycler view. So we will write recycler view dot adapter equals to adapter. That's it. Now let's run the application. So this is our recycler view. You can see it here, and I hope you got the idea that how we can create a recycler view using Kotlin. And if you're having any confusions or queries, you can leave your comments. I love to read your comments. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video. And I will meet you in the next video with some more cool tutorials. And till then, goodbye.